Hello, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over at the FXAce.com. First of all, welcome to the video. I hope you're having a fantastic Easter holiday. On today's video, we're going to look at a brilliant trading opportunity on the Euro Australian dollar as we're coming into a really important monthly trading supply/sell zone. Okay, so before we get started in the video, if you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. If you want to get access to all my trading updates, you can head over to my Trading View channel, which is the FX Ace. Here, and you'll be able to get trade ideas, updates when I'm entering these positions that I post, okay, for absolutely free. Okay, so let's get into the video. It is on the Euro Australian dollar. If you're new to the channel and you haven't yet seen any of my videos before, you should understand I take a top-down approach to trading the markets, where I look for high probability trading levels on the monthly and weekly charts, and then use the lower time frames to spot slowing of momentum and price action slowing down inside these levels. So let's look at the monthly charts here first. I've got everything marked here. The red box area here is a huge monthly supply slash sell zone. And you can see with the red line here, we have marked. This is also a really strong resistance level. And the price seems to be drawn towards it, going to be drawn towards this level, which is around the 165 level. So this is where I'll be looking to enter. I'll be looking to enter as the market goes above 164. I'll be looking for a daily and 12-hour signal on my TRX indicator. Okay, we'll look at the lower time frames in a minute. First target, and this will be this area here, marked in green, which is around the 159, 160 area. Okay, this is the previous high in this current leg up that was taken out in March up towards this level here. Okay, so this will be the first easy target. Then we're likely to get a small reaction here and then a move down towards the 155 area, but this is a newly created demand slash buy level. If we look at the weekly charts also, just let's zoom into the weekly charts. If I can get it up. Let's have a look at the weekly charts. And you can see right at this level also, the resistance area at 165, 500. We also have a nice weekly supply slash sell zone. So there's a high probability the market will push up into this area, and then we'll get a sell up. It could happen very quickly, and then a strong sell off down towards this level here. If we look at the daily charts, we want to see evidence of price action slowing down. Okay, we can see as it's popping up, we're starting to get, compared to this rally up here, there wasn't much selling off. And then what started to happen now, every time the market pushes higher, we get a sell off. Okay, so this is kind of telling us that we're looking, price action slowing down. Buyers are starting to get exhausted. They're pushing up towards this final target around 165, and then we're going to get the sell off. So this is what I'm looking to do, is I'm looking to start to sell as price goes above 164 and build into a position. You can see what I've written here on TradingView. Okay, I just explain it. The actual idea, it's a very simple idea. We're at a higher time frame level in the monthly charts. Inside that level, we have a strong resistance area, and at that resistance area, we also have an untested weekly supply slash sell zone. This is all confluence that the market is going to push up towards this level, then sell off. Okay, sometimes it can sell off a little bit early, which is why I'm looking to sell as it goes above 164, because we do have another resistance level here, which is basically at the 164 level. So I'm looking for a quick push up into this kind of zone here, which I'll just mark the actual zone where I'm looking to be selling. I'll just mark it in a different color, which will be okay. This black shaded out area here is which the kind of area I will be looking to start to enter this market. Stop loss is going to have to be well above up here, but I will build into this position. First easy target is 160. I do expect a short reaction here and then a move down into this kind of deeper area here, on which is a monthly demand slash buy area. This trade can last several months, and it is a long-term swing position. Okay, so that is the trade idea. You can head over to TradingView. You can read the post. If you want to get access to my weekly trading signals, you can click the link below. If you have any questions, let me know at will@thefxace.com or will@doneforyouforex.com. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Will over at the FX Ace.